Well, hello. Welcome to my calendar. My name is Violent Chachki, and I'm here to tell you a story. First, it's a story about wigs. Then, it's a story about brows. Then, it's a story about falling asleep, because everything's perfect, so let's just move on. In January, I am a cunt. In February, I am a bitch. In March, you guessed it, I am an ingenue. But in April, I'm vulnerable. What about May? Mayday, I'm festive. June, too soon to tell that I'm a slut. Darling, what about July? I make the fish fry. What about August? Nothing rhymes with August, so we'll just have to go with beautiful again. September? I remember the 60s. October? Ooh. I don't have a good one for October. November? Time to remember the future of drag. And then, December, I settle on my good old trusty perfect. Fucking bitch! You fucking bitch. I wish you would try to come for her, because I do, and I always fail. How much is this fucking piece of shit calendar? Ugh. How much is it?
30, unsigned, 45 signed.
I'm sorry, but listen, Violent might not be the nicest person I've ever met, but she's a genius.
Beautiful.
It's just ridiculous. It's just, I didn't even know about this goddamn thing, and I'm friends with her. This is so ridiculous. Ugh. Violent Chachki 2018 calendar, catch you a piece if you know it's good for you. This is, by the way, an unsolicited advertisement. She would probably be angry with me if she knew I was doing this.
I think so.